Hi, it's Dr. Chris Laurie at Lifestyle Wellness Center, and today in Roanoke, Virginia, today I wanted to talk to you about a great workshop we had last night, how to increase your energy at 300%. Make sure you look for that because we're going to be doing that workshop again. People really enjoyed it. There's really 6 factors we went over, and it's power meals, the amount of meals, what you should be eating, and the size of your meals were a big part of that workshop. We also talked about power sleep, being rhythmical and patterned with your sleep and certain things you should be doing with your sleeping and when you sleep in order to increase your energy. Hydroelectric power, how much water intake you're taking and how that affects your energy levels. Big factor. Okay, we talked about power breathing and how that can increase your energy levels. We talked about power mornings and what you do in the morning and how that can increase your energy levels. We also talked about the most important nuclear power, which I call it, which is allowing this nervous system that controls everything in your body to function at 100%. Your nervous system controls everything in your body. It has to be working perfectly at 100% in order for your body to utilize its energy stores to have the maximum amount of energy that can last you from the minute you get up to the time you go to bed. Subluxation or interferences with your nervous system can affect your energy levels and cause your body to be low energy, fatigued, tired, feeling worn down, and those type of things. So chiropractic care specifically looks for spinal subluxations or interference with this nervous system that can prevent your body from functioning 100%. So we help a lot of people that do have low energy, fatigue, and those type of things with specific chiropractic care, that nuclear power, and then those other things to get their energy levels back to what they should be. Again, we offer a complimentary consultation in our office where we can do specific nervous system testing to see if there's interference in your nervous system. And we can pinpoint areas that it's not functioning properly. We also take x-rays to look for the misaligned vertebrae, and then we can adjust those areas to allow your body and your nervous system to function at 100%. If you're interested in doing that, you can call our office at 540-725-9501. You can go to my website, www.lifestyle-chiro.com. There's a form there. You can fill that out, and an email is sent to us. We can set you up for that complimentary consultation at that time so we can see if you can be helped. You can go on my Facebook page, which is facebook.com, and the specific page is Lifestyle Wellness Center, where we talk more about this type of stuff, or you can contact me there also. Again, this is Dr. Chris Laurie at Lifestyle Wellness Center.